All right, so it looks like we are live. Two amazing things for you today. First, as I promised yesterday in my previous video, if you haven't seen that, the link will be up here. You can check it out. I will show you my couple items with whom I have been using those items to create those crazy results. Okay, and now I think let's just go straight away into the results first, and then I will going to show you the items. All right, fair enough. Let's go to see my results today for September, and it's not even the noon time yet. It's not noon time yet. Let me show you. Switching screens now. Today we got, let me pull up here my time again, and because this is so exciting, you can just, you have this big picture what you can do. September 4, it's not the noon time yet, so, and let me take this away. Let me explain something here. Yesterday I shared with you already in a video. If you haven't seen that, you can go and check up the yesterday's video. It was about this spike here, okay, because that's from yesterday. Today there is only, it's not even half day, but the spike goes even more than that, okay? So this is what you will, this is what you can expect, and this is what you should expect if you were gonna do 799 properly. Okay, step by step, 3 months, as I did here. Let me just show you some results, how it is. Here you can see the metrics, and we can say today. Okay, let's see, just today. And I need to click here as well. So today we got what? Today we got what? Total sales including is 3,000 here, net sales, I'm not quite sure how to read this properly, 3,000 today. Okay, well, that's Canadian dollars, but anyway, so this is quite a great progress. I would say it's a, that's what I told you yesterday. If you follow 799, this will gonna happen, because this is by the law how it is, and I explained all this already yesterday. This month, I think we got that this month already here. Oh yeah, generate report, and this month. Okay, so you can see this month, and this was kind of like comparing to the last month, the same. You see how was it? It's kind of like I was invisible even last month, but that was no, it was not last month. It was before I started. September 1, September 2, September 3, September 4. Yeah, that's how it goes, okay? But anyway, in September 1, I started to list. Actually, that was not on September 1. I started to list on September 2 specific items for the specific purpose. I told you yesterday already in the video there. Okay, that's what you can do, and expect things happening like this. It's just amazing. And let me go and switch what? This quarter? Now I haven't done this hub for a while. I don't know how it is. Yeah, well, this is this quarter anyway. July, you see here in July what happened. It was my second month actually. Yeah, my second month, because I started in June, July. I was steady up till what? Up till here. Nothing really like much, but because this was all those sales generating, portfolio building sales. When you do this, when the time comes, you put some items there and you make a profit. That's where you make your living. That's where you break out from your 9 to 7 or 9 to 5 job or whatever it is. Okay, so what do you think? How was it? I think it's pretty amazing. So there is no magic, nothing, no paid tools, nothing, none of those stuff, you know already. So here are the two items. I want to give you exactly two items. Number one, this is, let me see, this one. Yes, this one, baby, is one of the items who helped me to create the craziest results you ever seen in this video and in previous videos, okay? How I use this item, that's the secret, okay? That's the secret, because this is my booster item. this is my best selling item for the level where I need to boost my account and prove eBay that I know what I'm doing. Okay, so I will not gonna sell this item from today on. Why? Because I am on a different level. I'm on actually I took the item out already 2 days ago. Okay, so because I'm on a different level, this item served me very well. So I'm putting that item for retirement. Okay, no need for that item anymore because now I'm selling different items. Another item was this one. This one was my another item. Okay, and again, if you want to know how to use those items, there are 799 strategy what I use to explain day by day, week by week, how I'm using items like this, what I'm doing with them, how I list them to create the results as you have seen on the screen in a 3 months. Okay, what I'm doing in a 3 months, creating 6-figure income. Now it's not even lunchtime yet. Okay. Let me know. You see what I will gonna do? I will gonna cut another video tonight. Okay, tonight I will gonna cut another video. See you on later on yeah, tonight. Okay, take care. Bye bye. That will be amazing.